It has officially been 1 whole year since I started talking to you about the Amazon Influencer Program. And in this video, we're going to be talking about how much money I made in the program in the past year and the most important thing that I learned throughout that process. So let's jump right into it. What's up, everyone? Can you believe it has already been 12 whole months since I started these monthly videos talking to you about the Amazon Influencer Program? Because to me, they flew by. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos and you're like, what is this thing that you've been talking about for a year? The Amazon Influencer Program, just very briefly, is essentially making videos of products, tagging them on Amazon. And when people watch those videos on Amazon and make a purchase, you make money off of it. It is by far one of the easiest and fastest ways to make money that I have found online. And if you haven't gotten it already, in the description below, I have a link to my free beginner's guide. It teaches you about the program and how to get started and all that. So make sure to check that out. But just a brief overview of last month. In my last video, we talked about how June was a rough month. Well, July we had Prime Day, and we were expected to, really do a lot better with last month, and mine was not good at all, to say the least. Prime Days had some issues. A lot of people reported that the videos were no longer showing up on Amazon for the first half of that day. There's some sort of glitch, whatever. Let me know in the comments if you experienced that too. But a lot of people didn't have good Prime Days. Some people did, but a lot didn't, including myself. And the month as a whole, it was not great with commissions. I made around $300 for the month, which is still awesome. That's the easiest $300 I've ever made, but compared to other months, it wasn't fantastic. So that's that. And also, it was an extremely busy month for me, so I put very little into the program. But that's just a quick overview of how last month was for me. But in this video, we're going to be going over exactly how much money I made total in my first year in the program. But before we do that, if you like this video or videos like this, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It'll really help support this channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Now let's jump right into this past year's numbers. So when I look at my numbers here, one of my big things in the past few months especially was I wasn't doing nearly enough videos. But my total videos that I made for the past 12 months was 145 videos. So that averaged out to right around 12 videos a month. And like I've always said, like, you shouldn't be just putting out as many as you can, but one every day of good quality should be easily doable, but really 20 to 30 a month should be very attainable to do and still have good quality videos. But I averaged just above 12. And then the total amount of clicks that I got for my past year in the program was just over 28,000 clicks. So that's crazy. That's a lot of clicks. And that is from the people that saw my video on the product page and actually clicked to watch it. And from the 28,000 clicks, the amount of sales that I got was just over 2,800 sales. So clicks is the people that saw my video on the product page and clicked on it. Sales is the people that went a step further after clicking on it and actually purchased whatever that product was. So a little over 2,800, that's really good. I'll take it. Now the important stuff, how much money was created from the 2,800 sales? So revenue, once again, revenue is the gross number that was from the sale, like with the seller. That is not how much commission I made. But the revenue from my 2,800 sales came out to a little over $237,000 in sales, which just sounds absolutely insane to say out loud, but almost $250,000 in sales came from just people watching my videos and making a purchase. And then the part that we all care about is how much money I made, how much money you can make in this program. So this part is just your biggest chunk of money. This is not all of the money that I made. We'll get into that. But my earnings specifically from commissions of people watching those videos and making a purchase, I made just under $6,000 in the past 12 months from this program, which is insane. You could do a lot better than me. That was very minimal effort from me. Like I said, every single month I could do a lot better than I am, but that's still $6,000. But in addition to just the normal commissions, you have other ways to make money. And we've talked about those before. And one of them is the affiliate side, which is driving people from off of Amazon onto Amazon to then make a purchase. For me, I didn't put hardly any effort into that. And so in the past year on the affiliate side, I made just over $100 for me putting almost no effort into it. It's an easy $100. And in addition to that, we had a couple of bonus opportunities that Amazon gave throughout the year for me. And from that, I made another $80. And then one big category that I talk to you about every single month is the partnerships. That's where the sellers on Amazon reach out to you and want you to do videos of their products. So they send you products to do videos for, and if your videos are really good, you can get them to actually pay you to do so. So that's one thing I talk to you about making good videos, so that way you can get them to pay you and you get free stuff. So over the past 12 months from the partnerships that I had, I received 29 free products. From those products, you're going to get commissions as they are sold on Amazon, but also you could turn around, you can keep it if you need it, or you can turn around and sell it on Facebook or eBay or anything like that and make money off of it that way. But in addition to receiving those products from the brands themselves, I was also paid around $875 in the past year. So that is just an extra stream of income on top of everything else. Putting all of that together, my videos divided by 12 puts you right at about 12 videos per month. And then if you add up all of the different ways to make money in this, in the past year, I made right at about $7,000 in this program in the past 12 months. Now you divide that by the past 12 months, that puts me at an average of $583 per month that I made in this program. And I'm on the low end. Like I've told you many times, 12 videos a month is really low. You could easily do twice that much and think about how much money you can be making. But even at my level that I'm doing it, $583 a month, this can take out one of your bigger bills and take off a little bit of stress from your everyday grind of trying to pay the bills. And it's literally one of the easiest ways I've ever found to do so. So there is absolutely no reason why you shouldn't be jumping on this opportunity. Now that we went over my numbers for the past year, let's just quickly talk about the most important thing that I learned over the past 12 months in the Amazon Influencer Program. And I've talked to you about this a lot, so you're probably tired of hearing it. But the most important thing that I've learned in this program is that quality matters over all the other stuff. I see people all the time that are in the program for a month and they've put out 3 times as many videos as I have in the past year, and they're like, I've only made $25 or $50. That's because your videos are terrible. Amazon is going to push the videos that get them the most sales. So if you make good quality videos, and what that means is a clean filming area, clear audio, good lighting, and providing valuable information about the product, that is a quality video. And that is what is going to help the customer make the purchasing decision, which is what Amazon wants. And then in addition to that, that's how you get brands to actually pay you to do these videos, because they're not going to pay somebody to go make a 15-second clip that is terrible. If you want to actually be able to convince them to pay you, you have to show that you can make good quality videos. So as I always say, that is the most important part, not how many videos you can just produce as fast as possible. So focus on your quality. And as always, if you're just getting started in this program, once again, I have the free beginner guide in the description below, so make sure you check that out. And like I always say, if you like the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. It really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all next time.